Installing the KOHLER Intrepid two-piece toilet. For this installation, you will need the following tools and materials: adjustable wrench, putty knife, level, hacksaw, and Phillips screwdriver. Follow all local plumbing and building codes. Remove the old toilet and use a putty knife to remove the old wax ring. Install the toilet T-bolts into the floor flange. Press a wax ring into the bottom of the toilet. Fit the toilet over the T-bolts and floor flange. Install the washers onto the T-bolts, followed by the nuts. Do not move the toilet after placement to avoid breaking the watertight seal. Cut off the remaining T-bolt to fit the cap. Verify the bolts are pressed all the way into the tank gasket. Orient the tank so the bolts line up with the holes in the toilet bowl. Lower the toilet tank onto the toilet bowl. Apply pressure when lowering the tank to slide the washers onto the bolts. Thread the nuts. Alternately hand tighten each of the hex nuts onto each of the bolts. Using an adjustable wrench, finish tightening the nuts until the gasket is compressed between the tank and the bowl. Do not over-tighten. Ensure that the toilet tank is level, front to back and side to side. If the tank is not level and leaning left or right, loosen or tighten one of the two front nuts. If the tank is not level and leaning forward or backward, loosen or tighten the back nut. Connect the supply line. Do not over-tighten. Clip the refill hose onto the flush valve. The valve float needs to have room to freely move up and down. Adjust the position of the fill valve as needed. Turn on the water supply and allow the toilet tank to fill. Turn the fill valve adjustment screw as needed to adjust the water level to the waterline mark. Turn the adjustment screw clockwise to raise the water level and counterclockwise to lower the water level. Flush the toilet to ensure the fill valve is working properly. Check all connections for leaks. Install the tank lid and check supply line for leakage. Install the toilet seat following the packed instructions.